はい、じゃあ、let's get started.
Okay.
元気ですか？
このチャンネルは次の世代に日本語をつなげていきたい人向けの動画です。
Today's greetings first. 元気ですか？元気ですか means how are you? How are you? Equal how are you?
元気です。
Good. 元気です means I'm fine. I am fine. From now on, I'm gonna ask you. はい。One more time. 元気ですか？
元気ですか？
か is question mark. I'm asking you. 元気ですか？ And then answer is I'm fine. 元気です。どうぞ。
元気です。
You learned かきくけこ last week. だから let's review かきくけこ Carol. As usual, you will learn how to read and write hiragana and katakana. And today's grammar is こそあど words. Review. かきくけ that you learned. はい。はい。Do you practice? はい。So,
こ
today's hiraganas row consonants S, S, S. ね、sugar as S. Excuse me. さあ、today's consonant is S. Let's see the S row. As usual, add S plus A goes to
さ、
Sa. Good job. Next, S plus E goes to
し、
Good. S plus U goes to
す、
Good. S plus E goes to
し、
Se. S-E. Se. Say again. Se.
せ、
Good. Se plus O goes to
そ、
So. Good job. One more time. Sa.
さ、
Sa. Shi.
し、
Su.
す、
Se.
せ、
Good. So.
そ、
Pronunciation. Sa. Sa. S-A. S-A. Write down S-A. Next letter is very super easy. Alright, let's go down and brush. Down and brush. Please show me. She looks like a backward J. Very good, beautiful. Edges. Super beautiful. Great. It's like a fish hook. Don't you think? Fish hook. Yeah. This is S-U. S-U. Make sure the loop is on the left. Let's go right down. And left to right sideline. And then let's write green. Brush top to bottom and the loop. Make sure the loop is on the left. And the brush. Stop and stop. It looks better to start the third stroke lower than second stroke. Oh, yes. Good job. Beautiful. Nice. Se. S-E. Se. Good job. And then finally, last one. This is so. Say so.
So.
So. Good. This is like a Z. Right? A Z. Z and curve and stop. Right? Z and right tummy. Z and the tummy. はい。So, just one stroke. It's a one stroke. It's very, very first time to practice.
She.
She, good job. She. This is a fish hook. はい。
せ。
Good,
So.
good. It's connected one. It's connected one. This is the font is different. How this one. There are three
Oh.
stroke and a two stroke.
Sa.
The same one. Sa. This is sa. This one.
Su.
Su. Good job. Do you like sushi?
Yes.
Sushi. You can write down sushi today. See, you learned su and the shi. Su and the shi. That's why you wrote down. You can write down sushi. Sushi. See, sushi. Hey, try to write down sushi. You can make a word. Try to write down sushi. Please write two letters, su and the shi. Let's make a word. You just wrote down sushi. Read again. Sushi.
Su. She.
Good job, sushi. Three stroke. This is umbrella. Kasa. Kasa. Say kasa.
Asa.
Good. And then
Si.
good.
Si.
Shio. Yes, shio. Good.
Ushi.
Ushi. Good job. Ushi. Ushi means cow. Say again. Ushi.
Ushi.
Ushi. So ushi, cow.
Suika.
Suika. Suika. Suika means watermelon in Japanese. Okay, so one more.
Oh. Kushi.
Oh, wow, nice. You remember kushi. Cool, good job.
Isu.
Isu. Good job. Chair. Nice. Hi. Leg. Show me my mouth. So, yes.
Ashi.
Ashi. Good job. It's the very first time to say that to read a leg in Japanese. Ashi. Good.
Okashi.
Okashi. Yes, okashi means snacks in Japanese language. Yes. This is a roulette. Roulette. I spin. This katakana is similar to a hiragana. It's a horizontal line and then cutting through the both vertical strokes. Show me. Short line, and brush. The last strokes of su does not close. Left to right and the hook. And vertical line from top to bottom and a card and stop. Oh, good job. Say yes. And then last one. Last one is so. S-O. S-O. A short line and vertical line from top to bottom and a brush. Each knee. 1 and 2. Each knee. Good job. Oh, beautiful. Nice. That's so. さしすせそ。 say さしすせそ。
す、
Good job. はい。
そ、
そう、good job. じゃあ、let's go to conversation and grammar. Situation 1. This is a book in Japanese. これは本です。これは本です。
これは、本です。
Good job. This is a book. The green boy is speaking. He is speaker. だから、これ is used for close to speaker. Close to speaker. これは本です。Okay? I save this page. And then next one. Blue boy is listener. However, green boy is still speaker. Green boy is saying, それは傘です。それは傘です。
それは、傘です。
あれは車です。あれは車です。car 車 it means car. Car is far from both of them. Right? Car is over there. That is car over there. あれ is car over there. Dot in English. The point is two. The first point is when you point to things, you can use これそれあれ. The second point is speaker and the listener must look at the same thing. Summarize. これ is used for near the speaker. それ is used near the listener. あれ is used far from both of them. じゃあ、let's practice exercise. Apple, リンゴ in Japanese. is Japanese. これはリンゴです。これはリンゴです。
これは、リンゴです。
Good job. Beautiful. これはリンゴです。これ、this is an apple. This is a... Girls is still speaking. However, boy grabbed the apple. She's saying, that is apple. Japanese is, それはリンゴです。それはリンゴです。はい、どうぞ。Please.
それは、リンです。
リンゴです。
リンゴです。
それはリンゴです。That is apple. That is apple. Apple is, リンゴ is over there. It's far from both of them. She changed the word. あれはリンゴです。あれはリンゴです。はい、please read.
リンゴです。
あれはリンゴです。ね。That is apple over there. Vocabulary side.
Book. I mean,
Book. Home, good.
Sorry, that.
Yes. Umbrella. Good. はい。
あれ。
That over there. And the pencil.
And pizza.
Good. Pens.
Pen.
Just pen. はい。じゃあ、let's do a conversation. Please play the A. Please read.
これは、ですか?
You grab the book in your hands. これは本ですか?
What in his ですか?
No. いいえ。あれは鉛筆ではありません。あれはペンです。じゃあ、let's review. これは本ですか? このは is particle making the topic of the sentence. It's used when one equates the first noun to the second. Noun 1は noun 2です。noun 1 equal noun 2。これは本ですか? か is question marker. か is question marker. And in the dialogue, I said, いいえ、あれは鉛筆ではありません。いいえ、あれは鉛筆ではありません。Look at this table. ではありません is negative of です。Let's review location pronouns. これ、それ、あれ。When you point things, use これ、それ、あれ。Please read. That's right. Do you understand?
Yep.
じゃあ、let's exercise. Practice. Location pronouns これ、それ、あれ。Taro is holding a hiragana card. Hanako is holding a katakana card. And there's a kanji card far from both of Taro and Hanako. Choose the correct word in the parentheses. Okay. Taro holding a hiragana card. Hanako is holding katakana. Kanji card far away. Choose correct word in parentheses. Kanji card far away. It's a far. What's used? The far things. Far.
Or.
あれ。
Or.
English sound. あれ。ね、あれは漢字です。あれは漢字です。The difference. Look at the YouTube. Please read explanation. Please put the. He has book. And これ、それ、あれ。which one? これ。よし、yes. これは本です。Good job. これは本です。There you go. Green boy is saying. Which one you use? これ or それあれ Which one? これ is close to speaker. それ is close to listener. あれ is far from both of them. それは傘です。それは傘です。Last one. Car is far from both of them.
Alright.
Very good. あれは車です。Good job. ありがとう。Thank you very much. はい、バイバイ。ありがとう。バイバイ。